It's Sunday, September 28th, 2014, and I'm Jim Sullivan with your NeoWeather.com video forecast. As of 11:15 in the morning, here's what the radar, satellite, and temperatures look like. There's no rain out there. There are some clouds floating through. It's a little cloudier than it's been over the last few days. Temperatures rising into the upper 60s, lower 70s after starting right around 50 this morning. Taking a look across the entire country now, there is not a lot going on. There's an upper level low spinning across the southwestern United States, and that has brought some flooding to the Four Corners region over the last couple of days because they really can't take much rain out there. The soil is so dry it runs right off. There's another little disturbance running across the extreme northern plains, and that will actually affect us in a couple of days. There's a frontal boundary draped along the Gulf Coast, sparking some showers and storms right along and just off the Gulf Coast. And some of the upper level moisture from that is being drawn northward. That is why we're seeing the clouds. Other than that, there is nothing of consequence to talk about today weather-wise in the United States. All right, now coming back to Cleveland, looking at the numbers. Yesterday we did 76 and 50. That was above normal. Records for today are 89, 34. Those are safe. No rain at Hopkins yesterday. We're running a bit above normal on the monthly precipitation, still well above normal on the year, and we set the sun at 7:14 tonight. And taking a look at the rest of today, the mix of sun and clouds is going to continue. We'll call it partly cloudy through the afternoon. Highs in the mid-70s to maybe even upper 70s in a couple of spots. Tonight it's going to be partly cloudy. Another comfortable night. Lows in the low to mid-50s. Alright, taking a look ahead now on one of our forecast computer models, there is actually some chance of rain over the next few days, but it won't be today or tonight. You can see this is the upper level flow. There's a very, very weak and broad trough in the upper level flow that is bringing us the clouds today, and it'll bring us some clouds through the night. And you can see that begins pulling off to the east on Monday, so we'll call things mostly sunny on Monday. However, there's trouble lurking to the north. It might be our first chance for rain in almost 10 days by that point. As we head into Tuesday, a pretty potent little disturbance works its way south across Lakes Erie and Ontario and pushes in a chance for rain on Tuesday, with perhaps some lake effect showers lingering behind that Tuesday night as we get a very brief shot of cooler air. As we head into Wednesday, that all starts pulling off to the east, and it looks like we'll warm right back up for Thursday before another big cool down this weekend. Right, so here's what that all looks like on the big picture. You can see that little disturbance diving down through the Great Lakes over the next couple of days, bringing that chance for rain on Tuesday, and a brief little cool down, like less than a day's worth of cool air. As we head towards Wednesday and definitely Thursday, we get a big trough to carve out in the western United States. And at first, that is going to allow more warmth to surge towards Ohio. We could be above 80 by Thursday. However, that's short-lived. That trough moves east, and we get a pretty potent cold front to move through on Friday, and that is going to set up another shot of some pretty chilly air for next weekend. There might be some snow flurries across parts of the upper Midwest, the upper Great Lakes. There won't be snow in Ohio next weekend, but it will definitely cool back off once again, but we have really been getting away with some nice weather lately. So here's what that all looks like on your 7-day forecast. Now a great start to the work week on Monday, mostly sunny, mid to upper 70s for highs, and then Tuesday, that chance for rain. It won't be a washout. There won't be any heavy rain amounts, but it will be a little more dreary than it's been for the last week or so. Highs only right around 70 on Tuesday, and then Wednesday we dry back out, and then Thursday we really warm up, 80 at least, I think. Friday, that chance for showers and storms as a cold front moves through, and then look at next Saturday. We probably won't even hit 60 degrees for highs with perhaps some lingering rain showers. With NeoWeather.com, I'm Jim Sullivan. Check us out again tomorrow.